Are you an owl? Say who? Who?
Walking as a car toy.
So many different kinds of butterflies. Oh my gosh, that is the biggest clam I've ever seen. Yeah, that's a fossil. This is a fish lizard. Whoa, look at that fish. You see that fish right there? There's some seahorses. There's some big starfish. And look, a sand dollar. See the sand dollar? And there's a little crab right there.
And there's another crab.
Yeah, there's another crab. Look at the bald eagle. See all the different nests that birds make?
They make them for their babies. The baby birds aren't in there.
See the eggs right there? That's where they lay them. The hurricane simulator.
It's just wind, baby.
Shake it. I want to try one. Cashed in.
Oh, look, they're showing you different types of hail.
That's just pea-size hail, quarter-size hail. That's golf ball-size hail. Tennis ball size. And this one, baseball size hail. And the final one, what could this be?
Whoa.
Grapefruit size hail. Oh my gosh. See the hand right there? That's what your hand looks like.
Ooh, let's go see it. Here, let's show you something.
Here's a rabbit. We got a deer tail. Moose. Deer. Elk. Oh, that's soft. Shark. Seashells. Turtle shells. you doing? The northern raccoon. He's taking a nap way back there. See him back there?
Hey, deer.
Hey deer. He's wagging his tail. Yeah, this is a white-tailed deer. Dinosaur foot. Where's Cash? There he is. You an owl? Say who? Who? Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Ride that turtle. Oh, that'd be a fun tree to climb. Who does this look like?
A mushroom.
That does look like Marshall, so let's find Marshall.
Oh, I found it.
Yep, that looks like Marshall.